Hello all, welcome to our channel. In the series of government schemes and mission, as we are talking about Mission Indradhanush. So today we are going to talk about the vaccines covered under Intensified Mission Indradhanush 3.0. So the program provides vaccination against 8 life-threatening diseases in the entire country. As a booster done, DT at the age of 5 to 6 and TT at the age of 10 years is also given to children. Pregnant mothers are also vaccinated against tetanus. So, diphtheria, pertussis, that is whooping cough, then tetanus, Haemophilus influenza type B, polio, BCG against tuberculosis, measles, hepatitis B, so are covered under DPT. In addition, vaccination against Japanese encephalitis, that is JE, is being provided in the selected endemic states and cities of the country. Then rotavirus, that is RVV, that is when children of very young age get diarrhea and are deficient of water intake and deficit in water in their body. So such virus can cause early death of the child. So against such rotavirus, vaccinations are given. Introduction has been scaled up in 9 states. Then pneumococcal conjugate vaccine, that is PCV, is being introduced in the routine immunization program of 3 states with further expansion planned in the phased manner. Then measles, rubella, which is very old disease in vaccine, has been introduced in 5 states and UTs following a wide range of 9 months to 15 years MR vaccination campaign. Okay, so these were some vaccines that are covered under IMI 3.0. Very small topic, yet very important topic, because we all know about tetanus, diphtheria, polio, Haemophilus influenza type B, BCG, measles, but these are other of the vaccines that are also given. So you just have to take care about it, like Japanese encephalitis, rotavirus, pneumococcal conjugate vaccine, measles, rubella, etc. so on and so forth. Okay, so this was all about vaccines covered under this mission. So stay tuned for more such content to our channel. Also do like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get the latest video updates to our channel. Thank you.